Welcome to the Grand Hyatt Abu Dhabi. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to see more videos like this. Thank you. Once you enter the hotel, you'll be greeted by this massive, beautiful lobby with a check-in area on your left. On the second floor, called P2, you'll find things like the bar and club lounge. The bar is called LEXX and is pretty spacious with nice decor, but it was a ghost town on this midweek stay. Opposite the bar is the club lounge. It is open for most of the day, serving tea, coffee, fruits, and pastries. The evening canapes are served from 6 to 8 p.m. During this time, there's complimentary wine, spirits, and cocktails. The evening canapes are surprisingly substantial enough to serve as a full meal. Alright, let's check out the Pearl Suite at the Grand Hyatt Abu Dhabi. Alright, so once we enter, you can tell it's a very large suite and a true suite at that. So we have a dining table over here. Seats 6 people. Got a nice little welcome amenity of some fresh fruit and a note over here. So over here we have our sink and our espresso maker. We got some water and some glasses. Down here we have fridge number 1. Some cold drinks in there. It's appreciated because it's scorchingly hot out here. And then nothing in here really. Then over here we have the half bath. So we got a toilet in here, sink, the normal stuff. Got the ball main amenities, which are really nice. And going back here to this open area, plenty of seating. So you could really host a party in here. If you needed to, there's a TV, seating area, couch 1, couch 2, and a chair. And a nice table. I'll show you the view tomorrow morning. Can't really see too much because it's dark right now. All right, heading into the bathroom. Like I said, it's a true suite, so it's separate. So in here we have a nice soaking tub right in the middle. Again with the ball main bath amenities. So there's 2 sides. Got some slippers and stuff over here. Some drawers if you want to put anything in there. Then on this side we got the hair dryer, ironing board, safe, all that good jazz. And then looking in through the middle, see-through glass window, which is pretty cool. Looks into the bedroom. We got dual vanity sinks. Again with the ball main bathroom amenities. Over here we have the toilet and the bidet. And then this one, we have the shower. All right, let's head into the bedroom. So we have a nice desk over here, which is appreciated. Got our stationery, got our TV, very spacious king size bed. I don't know the square footage, but this is definitely a very large suite. Got some more waters in the end table, king size bed, like I said, another seating area, and another station for coffee and tea, some more water, and fridge number 2. Nothing in there, but we can fill that as needed. And then here's what you'd be overlooking over in Abu Dhabi. Again, I'll show you that in the morning once it's light outside, but very awesome, very spacious suite. Breakfast is served in the restaurant SAHHA from 6:30 to 11 a.m. This space is very open and serves one of my favorite breakfasts. There are tons of separate stations from pastries to fresh juices and fruits, a healthy section, and plenty of hot food items, as well as made-to-order eggs and omelets. Morning.
How are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Would you like to have omelette, fried egg, scrambled egg, something, sir?
I haven't decided. I'll be back shortly though.
Sir, nice.
Thank you. All right, so we're at breakfast in the restaurant. Expansive breakfast. There's so many pastries, donuts, fresh fruit, juices, Asian cuisine, American cuisine, everything. I got some beef bacon, some type of noodles, Asian inspired. Can't remember what they're called. Hash brown, omelet, some fresh fruit, some lemon mint juice, which is some of my favorite, and strawberry Danish. And I'm getting a cappuccino as well, so let's dig in. Thank you. Noodles are really good. Let's see the omelet. We got cheese, jalapenos, chilies, mushrooms, and I think that's it. Spicy. I told him to make it spicy. It actually is. It's pretty good. Nice little kick. Really well made. Tastes really good. So it's around 6:45, 6:50. Breakfast opens at 6:30. There's only one other person in here, so perfect time. If you want to come down here early when it opens, there's no one in here. So very large space, I feel a lot of people probably gets busy. They said around 9 or so just keep that in mind. The gym is also one of the biggest I've seen at a hotel. There's plenty of aerobic equipment and weightlifting machines to get a workout done. On the bottom floor is the hotel's pool. There are plenty of covered seating areas and even cabanas to help you relax.